Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about super lazy ways to make money online. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And the quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Let's talk about how to make money online while being lazy. Surveys are the first thing you can do to find out what people think about things. You can start taking surveys right away on Amazon. Just sit down and fill out the form. You can make money in a lot of different ways on Amazon. The pay isn't very good. You can do simple, easy tasks. It will pay you 30 cents if you do things like look for things in an image. It can't get any lazier, right? If you want to figure out what's going on in an image, you just have to look for things in it. That sounds really lazy. Another simple lazy thing you can do is describe it as a fact. 20 cents for saying something true. They tell you what to do and how to do it, so it's not too hard. Again, these are easy things to do. You don't get paid much, but you can make a few dollars an hour by just sitting at your computer and doing nothing. Let's talk about something else that is lazy. Video games are one of the most lazy things to do. Not much time is needed to do it. You have to be willing to live stream yourself if you want to play games. On Twitch, you would want to live stream yourself and people can pay you. So, check out twitch.tv. On Twitch, you can play poker here. You have to be lazy and play video games all the time to get an audience. What I mean is that you should be as lively and fun as you can. If you want people to watch your videos, the best way to do that is to be really hot and wear clothes with anime designs. If you play video games online, you might be able to get people to give you money or advertise on Twitch TV. There is a third way to make money online, even though you don't want to do much. You can, of course, play poker. So, what's the fuss all about? You can also play poker online if you want to. So, yes, you can make money by playing poker in real life, but you could also lose money. I'm going to show you an easy way to make money playing poker without risking anything. And that would be to promote poker programs as an affiliate marketer and also to live stream on YouTube. Live streaming is possible on YouTube and Twitch. So if you see a lot of people at a poker party, you can show them how you play. How do you plan to make money? I will explain how. I don't see many people doing this, but I think it would be a great idea. This isn't something people do for no reason. Then you will see right away that you can get people to sign up for an online poker account for both themselves and this company. Affiliate marketers who brought new players to 888 Poker have been paid more than 200 million US dollars. You can make anywhere from $100 to $250 for each person who joins 888 Poker. So it's almost like they are paying you to play poker, but only if you win. You can make money online while being lazy by taking surveys on Amazon. describing images for 20 cents each, or playing video games and live streaming yourself on Twitch. You can also make money by promoting poker websites as an affiliate marketer. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, that you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It is available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now.